everyone, it's Aaliyah Fur Babies coming to you with Lucky and Simba, who are bathing each other. Aren't they sweet? They do love each other. Yes. Lucky is my black boy. He has a white... Oh, hey, Simba! And that is exactly what Simba is like. He beats on Lucky. Yeah. Who said you ruled the roost anyway? Don't you bet at him. Oh, yeah, look at you. Look at you. Oh, yeah. Is that what you like? What? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So this is what you like, huh? Is that what you like? You want to play? Huh? Huh? You want to play? Huh? Is that what you want to do? Well, you leave Lucky alone. Yeah. You leave Lucky alone. Give me that banana. Huh? Give me that banana. What are you doing with that banana? Hey, did you have the banana? Oh, the banana makes a noise. Do you like the banana? You're so handsome. Oh, my gracious. Nanny loves you so much. Yeah. All right. Playing with the banana? He's in a playful mood. He keeps rubbing against it, making it noise. Hi, Simba, my boy. What you doing? Huh? Hi, handsome. Say thanks for watching me play. And next time I won't hit Lucky Boy. Yeah, right. Say thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.